Hey everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. And I've upgraded my front door lock for the August Home Smart Lock. And let me tell you, I'm really loving it. It works so well. One of my favorite things is that I can open the door using an app on my phone or even ask Alexa to do it. It is so convenient, especially when my hands are full or I'm in another room. Another great feature is that I can open the door remotely. So if I need to let in my mom or my sister to check on something while I'm not home, I can do it easily from my phone. It is super handy for those moments. Plus, I get notifications on my phone whenever someone opens or closes the door. It's nice to always know what's happening at home, even when I'm away. I also feel like it really boosts home security. The smart lock adds an extra layer of protection, and I don't have to worry about losing keys anymore. It's great to know my home is secure and that I can control access so easily. This smart lock has been a fantastic addition to my home. It is easy to use, very reliable. That's why I really recommend it, and that's my point of view.